Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Von here, and I know it's been a minute. I've been MIA, but look, your girl is back, and I want to give you guys a quick update on my life and the different changes that have occurred within the past 30 days or so. So that being said, let's get straight to it. So first things first, I want to share some really good news with you guys. I've landed my very first GovTech role. Yes, I'm still in identity access management, but your girl has leveled up and landed her first role in GovTech. I'm really excited, I'm really grateful, and I cannot wait to expand and learn as much as possible within the GovTech sector. It's been a little difficult transitioning from Meta to the GovTech role, but your girl has done it, and I just wanted to share that quick win with you guys. Now, secondly, I celebrated my 32nd birthday, May 21st. I turned 32, and it was a blessing. Now, I did celebrate a few days before my birthday. My birthday fell on a Wednesday, so I celebrated Saturday, which was like May 17th or May 18th or what have you. But yo, it was a blessing. I was surrounded by the people I love. We had a good time. I got a really good massage with my partner. Yo, it was just a great freaking day. Honestly, I usually celebrate the entire month of May, but this year I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to scale it back a bit and really preserve my time and energy, because drinking and partying and spending a lot of money ain't really my forte these days. So that being said, I scaled it back, kept it low key, and hey, I'm grateful. I wouldn't trade it for nothing in this world. Now, I know I don't look 32, you know, looking all young and youthful and stuff, you know, taking care of the skin and stuff like that. But yep, 32 on May 21st. Yep, lastly, I was studying for the SC900, and I finally sat the exam. I just did it because honestly, yo, studying for the SC900 was super annoying. It was just the most annoying thing ever for me for whatever reason. You know, now that I think about it, it's probably because a lot of the study material was similar to the Security Plus in regard to like the security fundamentals, and I think just learning things over and over again, being redundant, just really annoyed me. But all in all, your girl passed the SC900 on May 26th with the score of 822. That being said, on to the SC300. I will keep you guys posted on my journey with studying for the SC300. I hear that it's a bit challenging, but you know what? Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to the challenge. So that is pretty much it. Those are my quick updates, and I really am grateful for all of you guys taking time out to watch my videos, comment, and all that good stuff, man. And don't forget to share them videos. It definitely is helpful, not only to myself, but to the people you are sharing this content with. Yo, thank you so much, guys. So grateful for all of you. Peace.